Alright everybody, welcome back. And we are going to now go for the second challenge. Oh, 5 stars on those two. Bam! So, hopefully I don't have as much problems with this one as I did with the last one. We'll see. You guys are already fighting.
Time to get silent but deadly.
Oh, please.
Off to a good start, I guess.
Don't get excited, Juanita. I'm talking about the gas.
I want these to gain a level. These are a lot of fun, but like if you don't keep up with them, they get so weak and they just do no. Oh, ooh, that was close. If you don't like stay on them, they get weak super easy, and then yeah, so you gotta like keep on doing them. There is one weapon that like, regardless of how much time spent. Oh shit! That thing saved my life. Whoa!
Interesting fact, folks.
Oh god. Oh, I think I jumped into that one. Okay. Well, you know what? I've got all 20. Shit! Fucking awful start. Okay. Well, that's alright.
Open a window.
Things are fucking weird. Oh, am I losing life? Is it, oh, that's why. Jesus. Okay. Shit, I totally forgot about that. So on top of that, I'm getting shot. This is fair. Fairness.
Have you ever seen the Diablo in the pale moonlight?
Yeah, I'm just dying, not from. I'm just dying.
Team Darkstar is in rare form tonight.
I don't have enough life.
Oh, he's looking
This is gonna have to be one that I'm gonna have to do later. I can't. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this one with how much. Got no life. I think I'm technically dead. So I just have to like not get hit for the remainder of. Nope. No. I don't think I actually got hit there. I think. Yeah, I gotta quit. Wait, how do I? Can I not quit? Can I like? It's not giving me the option to quit. Looks like we're going for it. Looks like we're going for until I figure out the hell is going on with that.
Don't get excited, Juanita. I'm talking about the
I thought there was like a retry button or
Ratchet must
something.
defeat all the enemies before the toxic fumes snuff him out.
Oh, need to level these.
I think explosions are pretty.
Come on, level up. We're so close to leveling up.
Sometimes I think I should have taken that job on Annihilation Nation. They've got a great dental plan.
And that thing that he just said, that was a ref. Oh, nope, I'm not dead. I'm out of ammo. Let's see. Nope, jumped into that one. Okay. Seriously, there's really not a way to. There's not a way to quit? Challenges. Okay, so if I do that, and then. No, wait, what if I. No, that doesn't work. Can I. Oh, I could. Okay, there we go. Ah, changing planets. Off to a great start here. Figuring shit out. Getting it done. Getting it done. I wonder if that's just a loading screen. Like, if that's to hide the loading screen.
As we kick off a brand new season of Dread Zone.
That's right, Dallas. And we're lucky enough to have a bird's-eye view of the action.
Even from up here, this season's Dread Zone battle courses look bigger and deadlier than ever.
It's a wonder contestants keep volunteering, isn't it?
That's a good one. Oh, yeah. The Vox construction team really outdid themselves in turning this once sacred robotic burial ground into a deadly Dread Zone battle course.
And look, here comes.
I like the idea of a robot zombie.
Oh my!
Boom.
They're
Ratchet.
really scraping the bottom of the barrel to find these guys, aren't they? I hope you folks at home aren't too squeamish, because the next one looks like a bleeder.
What constitutes looking like a bleeder? I wonder. Okay, so now we got our first mod. We're gonna do that one. And God, I just don't use the B6, like, at all. So configure mode. So since we've only got one, we're gonna go ahead and just put acid mod on everything.
To modify a weapon, select the weapon you want and press X.
So what that does is that makes it so that I'll see if I can show you on.
All he has to do is make his way to
So like
the
if
other
I shoot
side
them,
of this
they kind of
mountain
turn green.
pass.
See how they turn green, so they continually take damage. While that's... Oh, yay. 10 to 17. I already doubled the attack damage on these things. Yeah, so you see what I mean? You just gotta, like, keep them going.
Each time your weapon upgrades, it unlocks a new alpha modification
Alright,
slot
so
for
we
you to
gotta
use.
EMP this bad boy. I gotta hope this doesn't... Whoop! Shit, shit! Oh! Oh, I should have died there.
Consider it done.
Alright, gotta EMP these things too. EMP fixes everything. Alright. And done. So this will be nice. I think this game is going to be nice for kind of doing Let's Play, because it's broken off into all these nice little segments. And so I can cut it off at these segments, hopefully pretty easily.
As Team Darkstar continues toward the Catacomb Burial Dome, they'll need to cross what I like to call the chasm of endless fun, eventual dying. In the unlikely event that they survive, they'll take control of the big, bad, and burly walking armored tank called the Landstalker. Good luck, kids.
He's got a wonderful voice for
You
this.
have to capture all
Big burly thing called the Landstalker. Alright, we're gonna kill some zombies first. So much life. Alright, so see now I can tell these guys to do it for me. So that I don't have to.
You know, I gotta get me one of those battle suits.
Oh, there's more.
Juanita.
I don't like when they're looking backward. Why are they looking backward?
Here's a chilling thought. Team Darkstar is walking on top of a giant robot burial.
When they just start
ground.
firing like a different direction like that, it makes me curious and worry, and a couple other emotions which are weird and deeply confusing. Whoop! All right, we're gonna swap the shotgun. As much as I want to level up the Raptors, oh my God, are there more? Well, hey, here's. Oh, this is a jackpot. That's just got a ton of money in it. Well, some money in it.
Ratchet, according to Dread Zone show requirements, enter red on the radar. Allies appear green. Challenge
This guy's hiding behind. He's not actually like. My targeter is just targeting his head now. It seems like that's a real bad way to. Whoa. EMP. EMP! Now you're making me mad.
Incapacitated. Use the revive
Alright, gotta do
command
this.
to bring him
Whoa.
back to life.
Get him. Get. Okay. Whoop. Why are you guys warping in on top of me?
Team Darkstar simply won't give
What is
up.
hitting you?
They won't let us take it for free. Watch for enemies, son.
Okay. They got. Oh, there's tons of ammo over here. Well, bad guys too. Nanotech increased. Alright, now that I've got a couple of nanotech, I think this is going to be a little bit easier.
Time to get a better view of the
Oop,
area.
we can hope. Fucking cameras. More of you guys? Really? I'm starting to feel like this isn't a productive use of my time. Whoop. Okay, out of ammo on that. So I got 24 shots. Gotta make them count. Nope. Aha. Oh, don't give me one for this. I hate it when it gives me. Okay, good. Hate it when it's you need like you really need ammo for something, and it gives it to you for like the 1 instead of the 25. Like that. Like it just fucking did. There are a lot of these. I don't remember there being this many. Yeah, 1,000 bolts. Let's do it. Is there something? Oh.
Ratchet, I am detecting a swing shot orb ahead. Jump towards it and hold down the fire button. Your swing shot will deploy automatically.
This is really, really twitchy. I've died. I remember dying a lot. So you're just supposed to jump off the edge and then it works, is the idea. And, okay, it worked that time. I've so many times wow, another one. Good lord. So many times I just like jump to my death. And there's like no even, oh, yeah. Okay, at least there was a thing here. Okay, there we go. Yay! God. Alright, that one took me a bit longer. I wondered, though, what those achievements were that I was getting. Or which ones I'm missing, I guess. I like to not like try and go for them. I like to just random. Oh, this thing is really hard to control. But I've got mortars like that, and I've got these little guns which do like nothing.
Ratchet, you will have to use the Landstalker's mortars to destroy those quasar orbs. That should clear the way.
See, I can. Yeah, see, I can like destroy that thing.
Deal damage. When the power meter reaches full, you can order them to deliver a devastating special attack.
A devastating special attack. Jesus, what's hitting me? Oh, there's a big thing. Ah.
You ever wondered what's in the special sauce?
Game is so random. I hear somebody. I can't. I don't see anybody. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it was a bit of overkill, but that's okay. Yeah, let's see if I can get this last guy. Yep,
You can
sweet.
drive over a vehicle pad at any time to repair vehicle damage.
Look at to 45,000 bullet in the upper left, right there. Let's figure out my left from my right. I don't know how I got. Oh, probably all those friggin' jackpot things. Got like 12 of them.
We are loving this carnage, folks, but it's time for the final showdown in the Catacrom Burial Dome. There's no telling what lurks inside these walls.
So this is just like a survival kind of thing.
Ratchet, you must defeat all your
Well, that
opponents
was
in order
stupid.
to complete this challenge. In other words, stay alive.
Yeah, this one's just kind of like your standard round. Stay alive for 5 rounds. You see in the lower right there, round 1 of 5. And then like eventually it'll just swap over to 2. It's not like a real obvious anything, it's just kind of, now we're at 2. Dudes start coming up from the middle again. I guess. Maybe that's what makes it. Maybe I'm stupid and never noticed that.
They say war is hell, Juanita, but where does that leave Dread Zone, huh?
Oof. Oh, God, that was close. Pretty sure I don't have enough attack damage to kill those guys just yet. Kill the planes. Later on, they drop off a bunch of guys and then they stick around.
Whoa!
So you have to kill them plus the guys.
Impressed.
Alright, so we're gonna do this secret move.
Zombies, dead ahead! Oh, no pun intended, sir.
Excellent work, Ratchet. I must
All right.
admit, I was worried.
Got a green medal, which is not useful for anything. And a hack array, which helps me do. I got 7 out of 15. I'm not gonna like look up what they are and like try and do them. I think I'm just going to do them. Just like just as I get them. If I happen to get them, awesome. And if not, then I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Man, this hover bike. I remember this being really fidgety and weird and hard.
Ratchet will race to beat the clock. Each checkpoint he passes will earn him a few extra seconds. Team Darkstar, get ready to race!
So I just gotta go through the. Only there are guys that are, and those things explode if I touch it. That thing, it explodes if I touch it. So it's also kind of like a life thing, and I like shooting down the cameras. It's always brings me joy. There's got this. You got a hop, which I always thought was kind of funny. Like why are you able to hop? You know, hop. Like I don't know. I just feel like on a bike. Whoop! Almost jumped over that one.
Free popcorn for everyone who participates.
Shit. Oh, made it. Nope, missed. 5, 4. Hurry. Oh, I think that's the last one. Oh, 3 seconds left. Okay, wow. I remember that being quite a bit more difficult for some reason. What should we try? Destruction Derby? Hawk in the land... Hop in the land stalker. Destroy stuff. Sounds good.
It's time to hop into the land stalker.
Oh, see, he can say it right.
As you can.
You see, that apparently I can't. Nanotech increased. That makes it really hard to see. There was just one dude, and I was like, "Get him!" Oh man, I can't hit this guy apparently.
Lot of cheerleaders.
I like that I still have my bots. Oh shit, is there a zombie still? Wait, do I need a... It looks like I need a score. Oh, 60... Oh shit, I need to kill lots of guys. 64... How much time do I have? 7 seconds. Just killing the camera count. Oh, close. Okay, I didn't realize I had a score or a time limit. So, I maybe should have read something. So I don't think it's a score like in Star Fox, where you know how like in Star Fox if you kill certain guys together, then you get like a bonus for it. I don't think it's like that. I think you just get. Let's see. Or did I? I might have just gotten a bonus right there. I don't know. Maybe there just were that many guys right there.
How Ratchet uses the bathroom in that suit.
Die. I also think it's weird how, like, if you watch the feet, like, if I turn around, well, I do that. I start talking about turning around when I'm not in a point where I'm going to turn around. Because I'm bad at this. These little, I just need to kill a lot of little guys, I guess.
Will somebody just kill this little runt already?
How much? 4 seconds. Shit! Oh, man. And again, it doesn't look like it's going to let me retry. It's just like, or either do it or do not. There is no fail. Okay, so what I was saying was, when you turn around, it kind of looks like the Landstalker can orient any direction, because like when I walk sideways, you know, you see the feet doing that. But I don't think that's the case, because whenever I turn around, like here, watch, when I kill this guy, I'm gonna turn around. Like it still tries to keep that specific thing forward. Like you see how it could have went to the left there, but it keeps that, like the specific way it's aiming now, it stays that direction. So I need to walk over here because there's a lot of guys and I keep missing it. So there we go. Okay, is that all the more guys that show up over here? No, there's a whole... Okay. There's a little guy. I need to kill 20 more guys. Oh my gosh. Where am I? Where am I to find all these guys? 65, 67. There's no one left. There's no one left. I don't think there's enough guys. I think that's bullshit. I am blaming that one on the game not spawning enough bad guys. There's got to be something else going on. What's the other challenge? Monuments to Death. We'll do this one. I'm not going to get all the star points because I'm going to be missing like one stupid little thing. Okay. Buy some ammo. I'm not even going to bother with that. I really don't like that B6 Obliterator. It's just no good. It's like a grenade launcher type thing. Oh, level up. Speed mod. So now it's going to shoot faster. That guy is going to hit me for a shitload. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. This takes so many hits before they die.
Ratchet, run!
I think they continually spawn. I think that's the thing. Okay. No, oh, wow, look how many there are. Look at the magma cannon just cleaning up. Come on, Raptors, stay good. Stay good, I don't have any other weapons. Yet. Aside from the 2 that I started with. Life.
Creature is clearly much too dangerous to be set free. He must be destroyed.
Wow, so there are a ton of guys. I hope that better not kill me. Why were there so many guys? Fuck you, camera. 2 bullets can kill that thing, but 50 kill this zombie here. I kinda like how that guy shit. That's why you shouldn't melee. Oh, like I was saying though, it's like they kind of do that thing like they do in Diablo 3, where they break in half and then they still come after you. I always thought that was a nice touch for zombies to do. Can the legs hurt me? I wonder if the legs can hurt me. I'm gonna go ahead and guess yes. Like they just like run into me. Or do they just auto blow up? I don't know, my bots were shooting it. Okay. Come on, Vipers, stay good. Shit, there's so many, I just want to kill them. I knew that was the last one, so I didn't want to, like, try and level up the other ones and not do it. Not... Oh, wait, bolts. Dread points, that's right. You need those to unlock. Oh, apparently I had to do that in order to go to the next planet. Okay, so now I can go to Serathos. Serathos, I think is what it's called. So we'll be doing that next time. See ya.